Hi, my name is Yolanda Avery, and currently in my field placement, I oversee clients that are struggling with mental health or behavioral health. We also get referrals from the Department of Children and Families, and these are clients that are having issues with either custody or whose parental rights are being terminated. And so what we do is we offer therapy, and in addition, we're also responsible for the drug testing and various other requirements that the Department of Children and Family places on us. I think that the thing I like best about field and just what I'm doing is actually the interaction that occurs between the professional and the client. I've really gotten to enjoy working with all sorts of different populations, and just, I don't know, just being able to talk to people and being able to just be present and engaged with them. I find that these are I guess, the needs, and they seem so basic, but most people come into my office and they explain that they just have never been heard before, that this is the first time where they feel that somebody actually cares about what's going on in their life and the things that are hurting them. The challenge that I continue to see is just, I think it has more to do with myself. Like, I really am a person that likes to problem solve. I'm a person that likes to help. And so while I know I'm helping my clients by just allowing them to be here and by allowing them to voice the struggles that they have within themselves, I just feel that in a lot of circumstances we can do more, whether it's assistance with formula or assistance with just basic needs, whether it's food, clothing, shelter. And it just continues to be a struggle and something that I can't always do just because of budgets. And I think that's just something that eats away at me because I just feel in this country we have so much, but we struggle with resources, yet we waste so much money on other things that to me are not important. I think one of the things that I learned during field about myself is just my intense dislike for paperwork. There's just so much paperwork, and I understand that it's just part of the business, but I guess I'm a little selfish. I just want to be able to talk to people and problem solve. A lot of the paperwork I know has to be done for regulations and I don't know, it's just needed, but it's something that I continue to struggle with. Um, I don't know, I hope that I get better with it. There's just always deadlines, especially in this agency, because we deal with DCF referrals, and those are always uh, they have to be handled in a timely manner. And so that's my weakness. And it's something that I continue to work through or whatnot, but I would say that I've learned that I just really hate paperwork. Um, it's been nice to kind of discuss my experience in field, and I look forward to watching the videos and learning about everybody else. Thank you.